teacher Irene. Okay, so today, mag-storytelling ta. Ganahan mo mag-storytelling ta? Okay, so kinsa na may nakakita og hen? Kinsa na nakakita og hen? Raise your hand. Okay, ganahan mo og hen? Yes. Okay, kinsa na may nakakita og cat? Okay, how about horse? And how about dog? Okay, very good. So, mag-start na ta. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so maminaw mo ha, kay mag-lead si teacher. Okay, so, the title of our story is The Little Red Hen. Okay, unsa gyud title sa atong story? The Little Red Hen. Okay, so the Little Red Hen lives on a farm. Dali nagpuyo si Little Red Hen on a farm. Okay, she works hard all day long. She looks for worms. She eats seeds. And sometimes she lays an egg. Okay, the Little Red Hen has 3 friends: a cat, a dog, and a horse. Ilang kay kabog ang friends ni Little Red Hen? 3. Si cat, si dog, o si horse. Okay. These animals don't work hard at all. Mga tapulan ang mga friends ni Little Red Hen. The cat like to sleep. Magsigila ko katog si cat. The dog like to sleep on a shade. Magsigila ko katog si dog. And the horse like to watch TV all day long. Magsigila ko ka na og TV si horse. Okay. One day, the Little Red Hen sees a raspberry. Nakakita si Little Red Hen og raspberry dito sa ilahang garden. Then, niana dayon si Little Red Hen, "Wow, raspberry!" She feels, and she said, "Yummy, yummy, yum! We can make a raspberry cake." So, nakakita ko siya og raspberry cake, niyon siya nga, maghimo sila og raspberry cake sa iyang friend. Okay. So, si Little Red Hen, i-runs dayon siya dito sa iyang friends. Niingon dayon siya, "Oh, guys, there are raspberries over there. We can make a raspberry cake." Dayon, niingon dayon si dog, "Wow, I like it." Then, the cat licks her lips. It's because ang cake, right? Isa man ang cake? Lamig. Isa man ang cake? Sweet. Okay. Then, the horse flips her tails. So, niingon dayon si kanang Little Red Hen, "So, who wants to help me pick the raspberry?" Niingon si dog, "Not me. I'm busy." Niingon si dog, "Dili ko, kay busy man ko." Then, niingon si cat, "Not me, because I'm sleepy." Then, niingon si horse, "Not me, kay I'm watching TV." Mga kapulan kaayo ang friends ni Little Red Hen. Okay. Then, niingon si Little Red Hen, "Then, I will do it myself," says the Little Red Hen. So, "So, ako na lang mag-pick sa mga raspberries dito sa akong garden. Ito man tapulan man akong friends." So, she picks the berries one by one all by herself. So, pag umani niya ako kuha sa mga raspberries dito sa iyong garden, niya siya, "Okay, we need flour, sugar, and milk, and butter." So, kailangan siya ng flour, sugar, milk, and butter. Aron makahimo na siya. Okay. So, niana si Red Hen, so Little Red Hen, "Who wants to help me get them?" Niinugin si Dog. Not me. I am too busy. Niinugin si Cat. Not me. I am too sleepy. Dibuka na po si Cat. Niinugin si Horse. Not me. I am watching TV. So, niinugin si Little Red Hen. Then, I will do it myself. So, Anak siya. She goes all the way to the pantry and gets the flour, the sugar, and she goes all the way to the fridge and gets the butter and the milk. Then she puts everything together to a big bowl all by herself. So, naningka mo si Little Red Hen. Niadto dayon siya sa pantry, ikuha dayon niya ang flour and sugar. Dayon niadto dayon siya sa ref, ikuha dayon niya ang butter o milk. Aron makahimo na siya o cake. Cake. So, imo din si Little Red Hen. Who wants to help me mix the cake batter? Ask the Little Red Hen to her friends. Imo din si Dog. Not me. I am too busy. Dayon imo din si Cat. Not me. I am too sleepy. Then imo din si Horse. Not me. I am watching TV. Imo din sila Little Red Hen. Ay, dili ko kay kapoy man ko. Dili ko kay giduka man ko. Then imo din si Horse na dili ko kay nagtanaw daw siya og TV. Then, imo din si Little Red Hen. Then, I will do it myself, says the Little Red Hen. So, he makes the Little Red Hen ang butter until it became smooth and creamy. Then, she gently transferred to a raspberry. She pours the butter into a cake tin. Then, she puts into an oven. So, pagkaman niya mix sa butter, sa flour, sa milk, at sa sugar, ibutang dayon niya sa oven para makahimo na siya o cake. Dayon, nituyog na ang clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock na. Soon, there is a delicious smell coming from the kitchen. So, nanimaho na kayo today ang cake na gihimo ni Little Red Hen. So, hindi naman kaayo, the dog can smell it, the cat can smell it, and the horse can smell it. They all rush to the kitchen. Gaga din sila sa kitchen kay himot naman kaayo ang cake. Pinuto naman. Then, the Little Red Hen takes the cake from the oven. So, she puts in the plate and put the sprinkles with a sugar. So, nakakaayon ang cake. Gibutangan niya ang sprinkle with a sugar dito sa plate. So, yun dayon si Little Red Hen. So, who wants to help eat this cake? Asked the Little Red Hen. So, naana siya. Kinsa man noon, habang nauukaon, ani nga cake, naana siya sa iyang tulong of friends. Naano din si Dog, niimo din si Cat, niimo din si Horse, Then, niimo si Little Red Hen. I don't think so, says the Little Red Hen. You would not help me make this cake, so you will not help me eat it. So, she runs away with the cake. Then, she eats the raspberry cake all by herself. Kay wala ka nito mga iyang mga friends, wala ang napakanap. Ano man? Okay, wala nito bang kapunan man ang mga friends ni Horse Red Hen. Isa na to ang tulong ng friends ni Little Red Hen. Dog, cat, sheep, horse. Horse. Okay, it is like our mother. Kung si Mama na ay subuo na to